Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to download Netflix in Windows 10. Let's get started. First option is from the web. Press sign in, enter your account or make account. Links are in the bio. Done. Second option is downloading Netflix from Microsoft Store. Enter Netflix in search and download it. Then wait until the download finishes. Now you can open the application. Enter your account and resume watching what you want. If you liked our videos, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.